B. We'll get the artillery box. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll do the artillery box. You want the first one?
Yeah.
Which one? We'll do the ground beef. This one?
How much are in those? Grab two. The 2 of the 8, because then we can or grab an 8 and a 10. That's it.
8 and 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll do that.
There.
8 and 10?
There.
Two. I think it was you last time.
I get your emails, so I don't know.
Yes.
Yeah, they.
Total is 280.19.
Sounds good to me. Sounds dead. How long do your smoke release last?
About 3 minutes.
Oh shit, that's actually a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. And they're really, really vibrant.
Yeah.
Really bright.
This is heavy.
What?
Camera.
Yeah?
Guys, YouTubers? Oh, years. Is he famous? Should I get his autograph? Vlogger?
In time.
Hey, where's his car? We'll see how famous he is.
I don't have one, so,
There you go.
so I'm not, right?
No, you
No.
can't be. Trust me.
Well, we will.
Marvelous holiday?
We will.
Yeah,
you.
you sure are. This is amazing kid.
We're like,
Yeah. Tell all your friends.
yeah, for sure.
I got a YouTube star.
You gotta think it to believe it.
Thanks,
I
guys.
believe I'm skinny.
You got
Can't
it.
have hair.
You got it.
Look, hey, as long as you believe it.
That's right. No matter hair put up.
Thanks, guys. Okay. So we just came back from the Rocket Place. The people are actually pretty nice. What do we got? We have 8 sparklers, 70 centimeter sparklers. We just got the regular 10 pack. This is 30 centimeters. We got rainbow coconut, whatever this is. 20 seconds, 8 shots. Seems decent. It was one of like the free gifts, I guess you could call it. This is terrible. What a shit. I wonder it was $40. Okay, what is this? Lucky Charm. Sure. High level, apparently. Why does this go? Oh shit, 35 meters? Another one of those. A Chihuahua, 7 shots. Bunch of just regular Roman candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gold Rain, whatever that is. Are these those stupid rolling ones? Some stupid rolling ones. You'll see what I mean by that. 10 ball rainbow, probably the same thing as a Roman candle, and then Thunder Bomb, 2 of those. So nothing too exciting in here. We got this. Woo! Okay. So 100 shots, prismatic, whatever that is, low level effect. What is this? Rascal, 7 shots. Blaze, 9 shots. Another Chihuahua, like from before. Cobra, 9 shots. White Noise, 16 shots. Kyoto Tiger 25. Okay, we're leaving that one for last. Epic is 25. What's this? Wham is 12. And then Big Bomb is 36. So this is definitely going to be our last one. Do not fire in windy conditions. There we go. Safety instructions. If you are doing fireworks this weekend, please be safe. So this is everything. We have that set of sparklers and another set of sparklers. So this should last us a good, I don't know. How long do you think that'll last? Half an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, so weather permitting, we're gonna be doing it on what? Sunday? One of the days. We're supposed to get some rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain in the night anytime this weekend. If it rains in the day, it's, you know, whatever. But yeah, we'll try and make it work. We have something special planned. I'm not gonna say what it is, but yeah, let's just say you've never seen fireworks like how we're about to show you. Okay, so it's about 9 o'clock right now. The sun is going down pretty fast, and usually we start, like, we do our fireworks from right here, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the drone up there somewhere, basically, and then we have our other camera. We have our other camera all the way back here because we couldn't figure out the angle and stuff like that. So we have our other camera all the way here, right here, and let me turn it on. So if you look at this, so that's what this camera is gonna see. ISO is pretty high there, so it's basically just looking up from behind, so the camera is basically pointing right here. So then essentially what we did was we looked on the box, like, of the fireworks, and it's like we looked at the height, and then we're gonna put the drone above that a bit, and then we're gonna kind of angle it down to be able to see the fireworks and stuff like that. And yeah, so hopefully it's good. We're probably gonna have to, like, adjust in between because the different ones have different heights and stuff like that. They shoot up to different heights. And yeah, so I'm gonna insert that somewhere now. And yeah, so here's the fireworks from the drone's perspective.